2017 linear motion question 1A. A car passes 4 collinear markers A, B, C, and D by moving in a straight line with uniform acceleration. The car takes t seconds to travel from A to B, t from B to C, and t from C to D. If AB plus CD is KBC, find the value of K. Okay, let's do a little diagram here. A, B, C, and D. And it takes t seconds to travel from each one. So we can get AB. We have t, 2t from A to C, and 3t from A to D. That might be the way to start this question. And then to get CD, this one, CD is going to be the total AD minus AC. So we'll be able to get that. And similarly, we'll be able to get BC, this one, by taking, we'll have AB and we have AC, so we'll be able to get BC. So let's look at AB. Time is equal to time. We can just get this in terms of, well, we're looking at distance. S is equal to ut plus a half at squared. And the variables u and a are not changing. So for AB, the distance traveled is equal to ut plus a half at squared. We can't do anything else. We have no other information. AC is equal to, well, t is 2t, so 2ut plus a half a by 2t to be squared. So that's going to give me 2ut plus a half of 4t squared, which is 2t squared. So 2at squared. And AD, we have 3t. So it's going to be u by 3t, 3ut plus a half a by 3t to be squared, which is a half of 9t squared. So 3ut plus 4.5, 4.5 at squared. So we want AB plus CD. Okay, what is CD then in terms of these variables that or these distances that we have? CD is equal to AD minus AC. AD minus AC. So what's that going to give me? AD 3ut plus 4.5 at squared, and we're going to take away AC. So we're taking away 2ut and 2at squared. So we're going to get ut plus 2.5 at squared. That's CD. We have AB, so now we're looking for BC. BC is AC minus AB. AC is 2ut plus 2at squared, and we're taking away ut plus a half at squared. It's going to leave me with ut plus 1.5 at squared. So let's fill this in now to what we know. AB plus CD. AB plus CD is equal to a constant times BC. So AB is ut plus a half at squared plus CD, which is above it here, ut plus 2.5 at squared. That's going to be equal to a constant K times BC. So it's going to be a constant times ut plus 1.5 at squared. Does this simplify simply enough? We have on the left 2ut, well, K has to be 2 then, doesn't it, to get 2ut, but just let's double check the at squareds. And we're going to have a half and 2.5 plus 3 at squared is going to be equal to twice the one on the right. So we can say that K is equal to 2.